Diksha, we can start.
Okay. So, hello everyone. Today, myself Diksha Jain is going to welcome a very versatile actor, Jitin Gulati, in our show, CineSpeak. So, hello Jitin, how are you today?
I'm very well, Diksha. Thank you so much for having me here.
So, first I want to very congratulate to you for your web series Chatrusal.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
तो आई रियली वांट टू नो कि आपके जब आपको पहली बार मिला स्क्रिप्ट तो आपके माइंड में क्या है कि आपने क्यों इसको सेलेक्ट करा इस वेब सीरीज को?
मैंने क्यों सिलेक्ट किया? मुझे ना ये आई लव बीइंग इन डिफरेंट times of the world. I mean, more than contemporary work, I am always attracted a lot to what happened in the past.
Okay.
तो मुझे वो बहुत अट्रैक्ट करता है to see how life was in the 16th century, 17th century. How life. I also read a lot about that time. I also read about history of humankind and stuff. And it's always good to know how we have हम as human beings हम develop कैसे हुए हैं, why are we what we are today. And every time I get a historical project, just the idea of putting yourself in a different time space, different costumes, different hair makeup, that just attracts me as a performer. It attracts me a lot. And
Okay.
there's so much to do research and change the way you work as an actor, that there's just so much learning that you do when you do a historical piece.
सो हमें इस चतुर्साल वेब सीरीज में क्या क्या देखने को मिला, लाइक इन पर्टिकुलर कौन सा सेगमेंट हमें देखने को मिला इन 16th of 17th century?
So Maharaja Chhatrasal was born in 1649.
Okay.
And the story is basically his biopic. The story is about from his birth to the time when he was 82 years old. Don't know if he died, but people say that he gave himself to divinity. He went into the divine light. So
Okay.
the time that 1649 to the time he went into divinity. The high points of the show, I would say, of course, it's his life story. The two, three things that really stand out. Maharaja Chhatrasal was not just a warrior. It's not just a story of a warrior. It's a story of a man who was an orphan, who started with 5 horsemen and 25 soldiers.
Okay.
And he started with nothing, actually, with no support from his family members. Eventually, people joined him later. And how, at that point of time, he wanted Bundelkhand to be free. How India to be free of Mughals. He fought 52 wars against Mughals and defeated Aurangzeb.
Okay.
Time. Sorry. You're saying something? Should I say?
No, you say.
At the same time, he was such a spiritual person. So for me, the highlights are, there's I don't want to give too much away of the show, but at that point of time, Bundela's friendship with the Maratha clan was at its peak.
Okay.
Chhatrapati Maharaj, Shivaji was his mentor.
Okay.
Mastani, the daughter, was married into Peshwa Bajirao. So connection is very much there in the show. His spiritual awakening through his guru. And of course, for me, the climactic part, or you say the cinematic part, is Aurangzeb versus Maharaja Chhatrasal. That's the before they go to war, there's a meeting that is there, which is where they're talking about their perspectives and they're talking about what they feel is right. And I think that's the beauty. And I really love that scene.
Okay, so आप इसमें लीड रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं एज अ छत्रसाल का. सो क्या क्या आपको लाइक प्रिपरेशन करनी पड़ी एज अ लीड रोल प्ले करने के लिए, क्योंकि आपको इसमें वॉर भी लड़नी थी, तलवारें भी चलानी थी, लड़ाइयां भी करनी थी. सो कितने टाइम लगे आपको इसका एक एक रूप लाने के लिए छत्रसाल का एंड उसको परफॉर्म करने में, एंड कैसे लाइक क्या क्या प्रैक्टिसेस करी?
हमारी शूट दीक्षा 3 महीने के आसपास चली थी. बट उससे पहले प्रोसेस शुरू हो चुका था मेरा, मतलब about 4 months to get the character, because they wanted to be very sure कि जो भी play कर रहा है, he can. I play the character from age 24 to 82.
Yeah.
So the person who could look very young, 24, at the same time could look older also, with the right makeup and hair. So that process took a lot of time. The training took a lot of time. Of course, once you're on board, there's sword fighting, there's horse riding, there is kushti scenes, there is language training, there's dialect, there is. But thankfully, I was in very able hands. The people associated with the project are from the community. The director, the producer, Hamare Anadi or Rachel, they are. They can do a PhD on Maharaja Chhatrasal now, because they are can work on and everything. Our writers, Jainesh and Samrat, They've taken material from that century, put it here, give it in a spin, of their own, and gave it out to us. So for me, I think the whole process was so well taken care of that I just had to ready be physically, emotionally of what the man is all about and be on the set.
Okay. सो आप आशुतोष राणा के अगेंस्ट में वो औरंगजेब है, तो आपका कैसे एक्सपीरियंस रहा लाइक शूट करते वक्त या ऑफ शूट? एंड वो काफी एक्सपीरियंस्ड एक्टर है, सो क्या कुछ सीखने को मिला आपको ये शूटिंग के दौरान, या क्या कुछ नया देखा आपने?
I think when you work with senior actors like
Yeah.
like Mr. Ashutosh Rana, उनको ऑब्जर्व करके ही बहुत सीखने को मिल जाता है.
Yeah, exactly.
आप उनको देखते हो वो कैसे स्क्रिप्ट पे जो लिखा है वो कैसे उसको ट्रांसलेट करते हैं स्क्रीन के ऊपर. The things that he makes his own, the kind of things, how he changes the way it is written, the perspective that he shares as an actor. Of course, I mean, you also get to know someone when you work with them. You get to know them personally also, and why are they so successful? Why are they so good at their craft? Because stand for so much in their real life.
Yeah.
इतने सिद्धांतवादी, इतने मतलब कड़क आदमी है वो, मैं बोलूंगा कि inspiring to work with him.
Okay.
And passion, therefore, you see it on screen. Then he plays stronger characters. He got those characters. So when you see him in Aurangzeb, you remember the look, you remember everything, because he is so much like that. So sure of himself, and such a good human being in real life.
Okay.
That translates on screen. So for me, that was something.
ओके. सो आपने जब ये पूरी चीज शूट करा, आपके हिसाब से कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग मूवमेंट रहा या सीन रहा आपको प्रैक्टिस, जिसमें लाइक आपको बहुत पूरी मेहनत निकल गई आपकी उसमें?
मेरी मेहनत तो पूरे 3 महीने निकली है.
अच्छा.
I had an accident during one of the other shoots that I was doing.
Okay.
And another accident on this set also. So I had a hairline fracture.
Oh.
We shot a major portion of the series with a fracture.
Yeah, exactly.
For me, I just had to put a lot of focus because I could not focus on my ailment. There was obviously physical training going on, and I was putting on weight throughout this, because I have to look 24, but at the same time, they want me to look a certain way in certain things. So that process of putting on weight, working out, training with the broken leg, and of course, the dialogue sheets that used to come to me every day for 10 pages. So it was an exercise and focus for 3 months, those 3 months of shoot.
Okay, so now how is your leg, वैसे?
So sweet of you to ask. It's much better. It's better in 2 years now. But airline fractures, they can take their time.
So it's good to hear. So ऐसी मैं पूछना चाहूंगी, कौन सा आपके लिए सबसे बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस रहा पूरे उसको शूट करते हुए, लाइक एक मेमोरेबल बन गया कि यार अब तो लाइक मजा आ गया इसे शूट करने के बाद?
I think पहली बात वही है that my interaction with the community, because this project is backed by the community, that they have for Maharaja Chhatrasal. That is very important for me. It's very dear to me actually, because of people that they revere, that they love, that they उनको पूछते हैं वो. मेरे लिए वो एक responsibility है और मैंने उसको बहुत संभाल के रखा है. Then of course, the cast overall, if I get to work with legends like Mr. Ashutosh Rana, Meena ji, Manish Wadhwa ji, who's playing the spiritual guru, Pranna, Vaibhavi Shandalya, who's opposite me, she's playing my wife, Mohan Tiwari, and all the other cast members, characters that they bring and what they bring to the table, it is just every day was memorable for me, when I look back.
So हमने वैसे ये जाना कि आप पहले बैंक जॉब करते थे, so बैंक जॉब से एक्टर, ये फासला कैसे हुआ?
ये फासले तो मैं बचपन कर रहा हूँ वो करने के. I always wanted to be an actor actually. I stopped because after college I got that job, but while I was in the bank I was training to be an actor. I was working from, and I was training to be an actor from 7 to 11. So that was my last years. Yeah. So I always wanted to be an actor. So I was not able to move to Bombay to start here. So eventually I moved with my bank job.
Okay.
I started this, but I've been wanting to be an actor for forever.
अच्छा. So I want to ask a little question. Like मैंने जितना समझा है कि हमने बहुत सारी कहानियां सुनी जहाँ पे एक एक्टर कोई सीरियस रोल प्ले करते हैं, सो उसके बाद जब शूटिंग ओवर हो जाती है वो उसमें रहते हैं, उस एक्ट में वो अंदर बसा के रखते हैं, तो उसे ओवरकम बहुत टाइम लगता है उन्हें ओवरकम होने में, उस चीज को बाहर निकालने नॉर्मल लाइफ में आने में। तो आपके साथ भी ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि आपको टाइम लगा अपनी नॉर्मल लाइफ में आने में 36 साल रोल प्ले करने के बाद?
उसका ब्यूटी ये है कि मुझे कुछ छोड़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है।
अच्छा।
मतलब मैं वॉरियर तो नहीं हूँ,
या
टाइम में तो नहीं हूँ, बट जो क्वालिटीज उनकी है ना, मैं वो छोड़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ। तो मैं
ओके।
इस छोड़नी नहीं है, तो मैं फिर क्या ट्राई करूँ? आई
हाँ,
मीन
ये बात सही।
मैं कोई नो ऐसा इंसान प्ले कर रहा हूँ जिसकी क्वालिटी मुझे पसंद नहीं है।
हम्म।
आई कैन प्ले इट एज एन एक्टर, बट एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज जितिन, आई माइट नॉट वांट दैट। बट महाराजा छत्रसाल की क्वालिटीज तो आई होप आई कैन रिटेन, आई होप आई कीप देम, आई होप आई एम एज काइंड एंड एज ब्रेव एज ही वाज इन हिज लाइफ टाइम। तो मुझे वो उनको दूर नहीं करना है, मेरे को पास ही रखना है। एंड आई थिंक दैट दिस रोल विल स्टे विद मी।
ओह नाउ दैट्स ग्रेट, चलो ऐसा होना चाहिए, क्वालिटीज रहनी चाहिए। सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गोइंग टू बी कि लाइक आप अपने आप को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे किसी 5 वर्ड्स में? अगर मैं आपसे कहूँगी आप अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करें 5 वर्ड्स में, तो क्या रहेंगे वो?
सवाल है दीक्षा।
चलो 3 वर्ड्स।
मुझसे ना पूछा जा रहा है महाराजा छत्रसाल जी के बारे में, औरंगजेब के बारे में। अब मैं अपने आप को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करूं? मैं एक एक्टर हूं यार, दैट्स माय ओनली डेफिनेशन।
ओके चलो।
दैट डेफिनेशन आई थिंक a lot of things come, but
या
I'm an actor. Yeah.
सो मैं पूछना चाहूँ आपके कुछ फ्यूचर प्लान्स आगे, आप किसी और तैयारी पे लगे हो, किसी और वेब सीरीज या मूवीज पे?
हाँ, अभी छत्रसाल सीरीज आएगी MX
या
प्लेयर जुलाई
या
को। उसके बाद इनसाइड एज सीजन 3
अच्छा।
दिखा है नहीं, बट इनसाइड एज सीजन 3 विल रिलीज दिस ईयर।
ओके।
Then there's a film with Shabana ji,
ओह
with Divya ji and Swara Bhaskar called Sheer Korma. That
अच्छा।
is next year. There's another show for applause that I've done. वो आएगा. I don't know. I mean I can't say much about that. And
ओके
plus 2 things right now.
ओके।
वो दोनों ही प्रोजेक्ट मेरे दिसंबर तक खत्म हो जाएंगे. So I think those should come out next year.
सो आपने मूवीज के काफी ज्यादा जोनर्स कर लिए, हिस्टोरिक भी कर लिया है, बायोग्राफिक भी करी है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट रोल्स आप प्ले कर चुके हो। सो आपके हिसाब से आपके लिए कौन सा बेस्ट लगता है, कि आपको क्या लगता है आपका अभी तक का बेस्ट रोल जिसमें आपने प्ले करा हो?
Sound ऐसे मैंने बहुत काम कर लिया है. मेरे को बहुत काम करना है अभी.
नहीं मतलब
अभी
फिर भी जितना भी करा है उसमें।
यार मैं वो बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है. मैं कैसे चूज करूं? मतलब
अच्छा।
कुछ रोल्स मेरे लिए बहुत क्लोज है बिकॉज मैंने उनसे बहुत सीखा है. कुछ
हम्म।
रोल्स क्लोज है बिकॉज वो मेरे पहले रोल थे. दोज आर द
अच्छा।
फर्स्ट कैमरा. अब मेरी पहली फिल्म वार्निंग मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज
या
मैं पहले को 70 mm स्क्रीन पे देखा. कुछ रोल्स हैं जिनमें मुझे करते वक्त बहुत मजा आया, लोग बहुत अच्छे थे.
हम्म।
इट वॉज रियली एंजॉयबल प्रोसेस. सो I genuinely can answer one project.
ओके। सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम एक्टिंग एनी अदर हॉबीज डू यू हैव? कुछ और किसी और में इंटरेस्ट रहता हो आपका?
Uh, I like watching movies. सारी activities इसी है. Basically, every time I get a role, I prepare something, and that becomes my hobby.
अच्छा।
Awesome hobby because I was preparing for Chhatrasal. Uh, I watch a lot of stuff actually. I watch a lot of content, and it is something that I do a lot.
ओके। सो मैं ना मोस्टली क्वेश्चन सबसे पूछती हूँ, कोई ऐसा आपका एक्सपीरियंस किसी फैन के साथ जो काफी वर्स्ट रहा हो, कि आपको एक्सपेक्टेड ही ना हो कि कोई ऐसा फैन ऐसा भी कर सकता है?
फैन ऐसा कर सकता, मतलब मेरे साथ एक्सपीरियंस फैन का.
या आपके साथ कि लाइक कोई आपका फैन आपसे ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा प्रभावित हो गया हो एंड लाइक कुछ उसने ऐसा कर दिया कि आपको एक्सपेक्टेड ना हो आपके लिए?
ऐसा तो मुझे अभी कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा, बट एक मुझे याद है. आई डोंट नो, समबडी फ्रॉम हांगकांग और सिंगापुर, आई डोंट नो फ्रॉम वेयर. They, I think, painted a few paintings of mine from looking at a photograph of mine, and I was just very amazed at something that somebody is actually looking at my photograph somewhere so far away and painting me with her own hands, and I was
ओके।
surprised with that. So I don't know. I found it. I mean, it was obviously, it was very humbling, of course, but at the same time, I was like, that somebody likes you so much. I mean,
या
go out of their way to show their love to you. So it was very important. It was very good for me. It was very humbling for me as an experience.
So thank you so much, Jitin, for giving us your little time to this show, Cinesmix. It's very great while talking to you.
Thank you, Disha. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Good time.
Bye.